Welcome! In this video, we're diving into a handy new feature on WhatsApp for PC that makes it easier to manage your chats. If you've ever wondered how to see your non-contact chats quickly and efficiently, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Whether you're using the desktop application or WhatsApp web, the process is the same. Once you're logged in, you'll see your familiar chat list on the screen. Now, look at the top of the chat list where you'll find the search bar. Right next to it, there's a small filter icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with different filtering options. From the menu, select the option labeled Non-Contact. This will instantly filter your chats to show only those with people who are not saved in your contacts. It's a great way to focus on messages from unknown numbers or temporary conversations without scrolling through your entire chat history. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can now easily view and manage your non-contact chats directly from WhatsApp on your PC. This feature is especially useful if you frequently communicate with people outside your saved contacts, like businesses or temporary connections. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this feature. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.